Hi, my name is Nancy Staples. This is Melanie Staples, the owner of our business. We have named our business as Waterfalls Salon and Massage Mobile Services. We've been in business roughly 8 years successfully. We are very proud of our business.
Our services and products include not just massage, but we also, I'm a licensed esthetician, so we do everything from basic facials to microdermabrasion. I'm also a licensed cosmetologist, so that means I can do your hair, your nails, and almost everything in between. The fact that the Better Business Bureau is a source for people to look to see if we are actually a good company, if there are any complaints, and being that we are mobile and we do massage in home, we wanted everything that we could do to make sure that we show how legitimate and what a quality product that we provide. It is extremely important to us to have that good business code of ethics, and that is shown through the Better Business Bureau and through our other ratings and other social media places.